Live Lingua Spanish, episode 16. Bringing it all together. Greetings and honorifics. So what we're going to do in this section is bring it all together, combining what you've learned in the last few episodes about greetings and honorifics. So we're going to practice a little bit. When you hear a phrase in Spanish, we want you to translate it into English. And say it out loud if you can, as always, because that's really one of the best ways to learn. So here are some examples of what we can say. If we say, Buenos días, Señor Smith, in English, you should just say, Good morning, Mr. Smith. If we say, Buenas noches, Licienciada Sanchez, then that translates into, Good evening, Miss Sanchez, but we're also implying that Miss Sanchez has a Bachelor of Arts Degree. So let's get started. Empecemos.
Buenas tardes, maestro Ramírez.
Buenas noches, ingeniera Sánchez.
Buenos días, señor y señora Robinson.
Buenos días, doctora Jones.
Buenos días, señor Gómez.
Buenas noches, señora García.
Buenas tardes, licenciado Smith.
Buenas noches, ingeniero Galván y doctora Martínez.
And now let's do it again with the answers included.
Buenos días, señor Gómez.
Good morning, Mr. Gomez.
Buenas noches, señora García.
Good evening, Mrs. Garcia.
Buenas tardes, licenciado Smith.
Good afternoon, Mr. Smith, implying Mr. Smith has a Bachelor of Arts Degree.
Buenas tardes, maestro Ramírez.
Good afternoon, Mr. Ramirez, implying that Mr. Ramirez is a teacher.
Buenas noches, ingeniera Sánchez.
Good evening, Miss Sanchez, implying that Miss Sanchez has a Bachelor of Science degree.
Buenos días, señor y señora Robinson.
Good morning, Mr. and Mrs. Robinson.
Buenas noches, ingeniero Galván y doctora Martínez.
Good evening, Mr. Galvan, implying that Mr. Galvan has a Bachelor of Science degree. And Dr. Martinez, implying that Dr. Martinez is female.
Buenos días, doctora Jones.
Good morning, Dr. Jones, implying that Dr. Jones is female. Hey everyone, I hope you all enjoyed this video and your Spanish is improving like mine. You can continue the Spanish course by clicking on the next episode, which is on your screen right now. If there's any topic you want me to cover in a future episode, please just leave a comment below. And finally, if you want to get additional free Spanish practice, get early access to all of our videos, and find your ideal Spanish tutor, just click on the link in the description below. Thanks for watching. Hasta pronto.